have with us Mr. Anshul Joshi, Chief Planning and Strategy Officer at Ajax Engineering. Welcome, Anshul.
Thank you.
So, just if you can take us through that, Ajax has carved a niche in self-loading concrete mixers. How do you plan to expand beyond product leadership into broader solutions?
So, going for product to solution has always been our endeavor. We were the pioneers of SLCM, and today we have 75% market share in self-loading concrete mixer category. And in fact, we were the first to bring the batching plant technology also to India. And over the years, we have expanded from batching plant to transit mixer to concrete pump. And today, I can proudly say we are a 360-degree solutions provider. Obviously, the next frontier is going from product to the solutions, and we are making conscious effort to integrate, to offer solutions to the entire value chain. So when we went into the batching plant, we always thought that concrete has to be made, it has to be transported, it has to be placed on the site. So that's why we made the entire portfolio of product which is for mass concreting needs. Today also, when we are making self-loading concreting solutions, we are making solutions, developing solutions so that we can place the concrete at the various fields. This is on in the traditional side from the self-loading concrete mixers and the RMC business, but we are also taking these solutions to the next gen solutions whereby we are adopting the AI solutions through concrete.ai. We are moving into 3D concrete printing of buildings. So it has to do with not only the adoption of 3D printing into concrete, but we are taking it to the next steps where we are even researching on materials which are required for doing the 3D concrete printing. We are researching in the area of softwares which are required to run such machines, and that's where Ajax School of Concrete is doing a very foundational work in the area of spread of concreting technologies and local development of them and the commercialization of that in Indian market space. So why don't you spend some time in Ajax School of Concrete next time you are in Ajax?
Sure.
Yeah.
Would love to do that. So also, Anshul, if you can add about how 3D printing technology can the scope for its usage can be expanded to other aspects of construction equipment industry as far as
you see, across the world, various countries and various companies have tried to made it in their form and function, where the machine has provided solution with certain constraint. Obviously, the next frontier of it to shatter those constraints in which 3D concrete printing works. We are doing that by collaborating with various reputed names in countries. Some of the names I cannot take, but we have been working with prestigious institutions in India where we are trying to provide various type of solutions to them, where we are constructing buildings in different forms and functions. Having said that, our product development with regard to 3D concrete printing have gone from first generation product to the second generation product, and now we are even thinking of the next generation of the product, where you take away few of the more constraints which are there. Having said that, these are the steps in the development of it. While the product is getting developed and evolved, we are very near to commercialization of it, but it would be little early to define a timeline to it when it will see mass commercialization. But nevertheless, in restricted spaces, we have started using it. That's what I can say.
And just lastly, I wanted to understand what are the challenges in scaling up this kind of technology, especially in a country like India. How do you see it panning out when going forward in next few years?
See, it's anybody's guess as of now. But for sure, I can say what we have done is we have defined few use cases where we have demonstrated the usability of the product and the challenges which are associated with the conventional production with regards to the space of construction, the space required for construction. These are few of the challenges which we are trying to solve. But the adoption of technology and commercialization of it depends a lot on how the macroeconomic factors are playing out. That's where we are constrained, and I think that's not our problem, that's a global problem. So but nevertheless, we are committed to developing this technology and adopting it in the form and function it is suitable for Indian market. That's where we are.
Thanks, Anshul. Thanks for your time and thanks for your insights. Thank you. Thanks once again. Thank you.